I don't like to badmouth anybody, but a lot of you guys got a lot of work. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on, and today's subject is about sneaker stores and companies and like what they can do better with the whole sales and stuff. Like, there's not many companies that do it well. It's 2018 right now. We know how popular sneakers are. They know how popular sneakers are. The fact that some websites are still crashing in 2018 for releases is unacceptable, and it's a massive, massive L for every single company that does that. Like, you release a hot sneaker, you see on your social media how popular it is. You see on other people's social media how popular it is. You see in the sneaker news how popular it is. How can you have like a release at midnight or whatever it is? You go into the site and it is just locked off completely for like most people, and a couple few that happen to get through copy it. That's ridiculous, especially in 2018 after all this time. It's been like that for the longest. I'm saying 2018 now because apps are out on phones. Everyone's getting better and better with doing things. Like, how are some companies, some big companies, still slacking? So now I'm going to mention a couple, and I don't like to diss people, as I said, but sneakers and stuff, probably one of the worst when it comes to their website and new releases. I don't think once in my life I was able to cop any hot sneakers off there, or the site's even worked at all for me. You get the 404 error or whatever it is, ASAP, Rocky, whenever there's a big release on that website, it's a fail. I just automatically assume I'm not going to get it. If it does go through, that is proof that the sneaker isn't hot to the rest of the world and it's just me that's after it on day one. But generally it is a big fail. And Foot Patrol, I guess I see what they're doing at the moment. They, for some reason, just want to push people to this new app that they've got. And then you go on their website, like I can go on the website right now and it will put me in a queue. And I'm like, there's definitely not a million people on this website right at this second when there's no releases happening. Just on a regular day. It's just not happening. But they're putting you in a queue and you're waiting there forever. And it's like, what are you doing? They're saying, oh yeah, you can go to the app, because they just want people to go to the app. I kind of get it. But if you're going to do that, make sure you just say releases are coming out on the app only. Then it is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, don't make it so you can't even go to the website and show like a random simple thing. I remember I did a video, I think it was for the Aqua Air Max 1s, and I wanted to link to Foot Patrol where they were selling it for a decent price. Couldn't even get on the website because it was doing that long thing again, only on the app that was showing up. And it's like, what's that about? 2018, sort it out. Just make it so the other stuff is on there that's not sold out, and the new stuff is on the app. That's what Size is doing. Salute to them, I guess. Again, in my experience, I've not had much luck with Size at all. I think I've literally bought 4 things off Size's website in my life, and all four have cancelled. Like, get excited, oh, I got it. Sorry, we're out of stock. Why the hell did you put through the order if you're out of stock? You're a big company. I'm sure Size is owned by like JD or something like that. How is a big company like that flopping so hard? It's not that hard. You've got an app, just make it work. Get some better app designers. You got a big company behind you. I'm sure it's JD that's behind them. You got big money, just make it work. Very, very simple. Adidas is not much better to me. The Yeezy thing is a joke. Like, why I'm sitting on the laptop for like 3 hours and other people are there all day just trying to get through, and it's telling you, oh, there's a couple sizes left. You get there and there's nothing left. It's just a waste of time. Why do that? Nike, salute to Nike. I don't know exactly how the system works, and I don't even know if it's sort of worldwide where that works for the Nike desktop, like, or the sneakers app. But how they do it is pretty cool. With certain releases, they give you a 30-minute window to put in your size and what you want. I think they should do that with every pair. I don't know why they don't. And I'm not sure if the other way they do it, where you basically, it comes up at 8 o'clock or whatever, put in your size, press buy now, then it says we'll notify you when you won or not. I'm not sure if that's first come, first serve, or it's random. I can't remember what it says. But I don't get why they don't just do a 30-minute window for all sneakers where it is a limited release and they just pick random people. At least it's kind of fair then. And it's not just set to person with the fastest internet or whatever getting the pair each time. But salute to them with that. That is definitely a good system, and a system that a lot of people should at least follow if they're not going to go the app route. But if they're going to go the app route, make that work. And the biggest salute, and I don't want to suck up to them because if you see their comment section, everybody's sucking up to them, but Offspring, they're killing it right now. I don't know if everybody follows Offspring or knows about Offspring, but I'm not even sure if it's a UK store exclusively. I'm assuming it is because most of the stuff is London pickups, but Offspring in the UK, I'm assuming, they do stuff really dope. Like their social media is fire. They release something and just in the comment section, people commenting, they'll say, cool, congratulations, you've won the chance to purchase a pair. Then they'll tell you what you have to do to purchase the pair. They'll say, call up this number on this date, you can come and get a pair, or you go to the London store, pick up a pair. Or they also do other stuff where they do contests. Like they seem to be more legit than other contests because people that I know have won with like legit people, not some random same people each time. But they'll tell you like if there's a Jordan release, post a picture of your favorite Jordans, tag it and say why you like these Jordans, whatever, then you win. That's cool, it's a fun concept. Someone like me who loves taking pictures and stuff, works perfectly. I've actually won twice, I think, on Offspring. So it's not even like you win once, your name's scratched from the list. So they're pretty cool at that. And they also, which they do, which is dope, like if they have a super hot release like the Cactus Jacks and you win it, they'll say like the next big release, like try not to enter to make it fair for other people. So salute to Offspring, salute to Nike, semi-salute to Size because they're doing it a bit better. The app seems to be working now. Like a lot of the times I've seen people say it's going to crash, but I've seen it work here and there, so it's a little bit better. But yeah, other shops, if you've got a website, don't advertise it on your website if your website can't handle it. It's very simple. You know the traffic that's coming, sort it out. Anywho, Ashbash signing off. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers, and Twitter is Perfection7. Release videos every single Monday, so hit that bell icon to get a notification every time I upload, and I release sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up. Anywho, I'm out. There you go.